Welcome all. Today we are going to start novel A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. Before we move on to the story of the novel, let's have a brief introduction with its writer. Charles Dickens was born on 7th February 1812 in Landport, Portsmouth, UK. He was a British novelist, a journalist, an editor, an illustrator, and a social commentator who created some of the world's best known fictional characters and is regarded by many as the greatest novelist of Victorian era. Some of his famous worldwide known books are Oliver Twist, A Christmas Carol, David Copperfield, Hard Times, The Pickwick Papers, Great Expectations, and A Tale of Two Cities. Dickens died at the age of 58 on June 9, 1870 in UK. Let's move further to understand the main characters of the novel A Tale of Two Cities. Dr. Manette. Dr. Alexander Manette is Lucy's father and a brilliant physician. He spent 18 years in secret as a prisoner in the Bastille. In the beginning of the novel, Dr. Manette does nothing but makes shoes. Gradually, he overcomes his past as a prisoner and proves to be a very loving father who values his daughter Lucy's happiness above all things. Lucy. Lucy is daughter of Dr. Manette. She is extremely beautiful, has curly golden hair, and wise beyond her age. Her unfailing love and protection of her father helps Dr. Manette recover his mental illness easily. She marries Charles Darnay, who belongs to Evermond family. Charles Darnay. Charles Darnay belongs to infamous Evermond family. He is nephew of the Marquis Evermond and a French aristocrat by birth. Darnay chooses to live in England because he cannot bear to be associated with the cruel injustices of French social system. He marries Dr. Manette's daughter, Miss Lucy. Moreover, he exhibits an admirable honesty in his decision to reveal his true identity to Dr. Manette. He is so helpful that when Gable sends him a message to save his life, he immediately leaves for France and puts his life in danger. Little Lucy. Little Lucy is daughter of Charles Darnay and Lucy. She is the granddaughter of Dr. Alexander Manette. Sidney Carton. Sidney Carton is a central character in the novel A Tale of Two Cities. He is an insolent, indifferent, brilliant but depressed and alcoholic attorney who works with Stryver. Carton has no real prospects in his life and doesn't seem to be in pursuit of any. He loves Lucy to the extent that he gets ready to sacrifice his life to save her husband, Charles Darnay, whom he bears a striking physical resemblance. Later, Lucy and Charles name their first son after Carton. Monsieur Defarge. Monsieur Defarge is a wine shop owner and revolutionary in the Poor Saint Attorneys section of Paris. He formerly worked as a servant for Dr. Manette. He proves to be a natural leader and remains dedicated to bring about a better society at any cost. His wife, Madame Defarge, views his consideration for Dr. Manette as a weakness. Madame Defarge. Madame Defarge is a cruel revolutionary and has hatred for aristocracy. She spends a good deal of the novel and knitting a register of everyone who must die for the revolutionary cause. She proves unrelentingly bloodthirsty and her lust for revenge knows no bounds. Jarvis Lorry. An elderly businessman who works for Tellson's Bank. He is a business-oriented bachelor with a good heart. He proves trustworthy and loyal, and Dr. Manette and Lucy valued him as a personal friend. Marquis Evermond. Charles Darnay's uncle, the Marquis Evermond, is a French aristocrat who embodies an inhumanly cruel caste system. He shows absolutely no regard for human life and wishes that the peasants of the world should be exterminated. Mr. Stryver. An ambitious lawyer, Stryver dreams of climbing the social ladder. Unlike his associate Sidney Carton, Stryver is bombastic, proud, and foolish. Jerry Cruncher. Jerry Cruncher is an odd job man for Tellson's Bank. He is short-tempered, superstitious, and uneducated. He supplies his income by working as one who digs up dead bodies and sells them to scientists. Miss Pross. Miss Pross is the maid servant who raised Lucy. She is tough and fiercely loyal to her mistress. She provides the perfect foil to Madame Defarge, who epitomizes the violent chaos of the revolution. John Bursid. Solomon Pross is a British spy who swears that patriotism is his only motive. He is brother of Miss Pross. Jack 1, Jack 2, Jack 3, Jack 4, Jack 5. They all work for Mr. Defarge and are ready to sacrifice their life. They belong to a revolutionary group and have deep hatred for aristocracy. This is all about the writer and the main characters in the novel A Tale of Two Cities. Next, we will start chapter 1, Recall to Life. I hope the video and information is useful to you all. Give a thumbs up if you like, click the bell icon for new notifications and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos.